Hi Pixelers! Grab your pencils and paper because today we're going to draw a snail. For this drawing we're going to need colored pencils black, brown, and green. This drawing is 24 squares tall and 27 squares wide. Let's start with the black color and we're going to skip 10 squares from top to bottom. In square number 11, mark 7 vertically. Up to the right 3 vertically. Up to the right 2 vertically. From this square to the right 4 vertically. From this square to the right 2 horizontally. From this square go up 2 vertically. From this square down to the right 2 horizontally. From this square down to the right 3 vertically. Down to the right 2 diagonally. Down to the right 2 horizontally. From this square, skip 2 squares down and mark 2 vertically. From this square, go down 4 vertically. Down to the right 5 vertically. Down to the right 2 vertically. Down to the right 2 horizontally. Down to the right 5 horizontally. Down to the right 5 more horizontally. Down to the right 2 horizontally. Down to the right 1. Down to the left 3 horizontally. From this square down to the right 2 horizontally. Down to the right 13 horizontally. From this square, go up 2 vertically. Up to the left 4 vertically. Up to the right 2 diagonally. Up to the right 4 horizontally. Down to the right 1. Down to the right 4 vertically. Down to the left 3 horizontally. Up to the left 2 vertically. From this square up to the right 2 diagonally. Up to the right 2 horizontally. Up to the right 3 horizontally. Up to the right 4 horizontally. Down to the right 2 horizontally. Down to the right 2 more horizontally. Down to the right 2 diagonally. Down to the right 3 vertically. Down to the right 8 vertically. Down to the left 1. Down to the left 2 vertically. Down to the left 1. Now let's color all the squares we marked. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and check out my other drawing channel where more than 1,000 pixel drawings are waiting for you. With the brown pencil, let's color all the shell part. Now, with the green color, we paint the rest of the snail. And that's how our drawing turned out today. If you like it, don't forget to support the video with a super pixelated like. Thank you so much, Pixelers, for being here in another video. I'm sending you a kiss and a giant hug full of love from my pixelated heart. I'm Paito, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye!